Hello guys, welcome back to Ontree Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the wireless audio adapter which I got from TikTok shop. So this allows you to essentially turn your wired aux speaker into a Bluetooth speaker, so you connect to this via Bluetooth, and you can also plug this into like an aux device like an iPod or anything that doesn't have Bluetooth, and then you can connect Bluetooth headphones to it. So we're going to test how this thing actually performs. So the model is GT69. Let's just unbox it. So I'm gonna open it up over here. Let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what it comes with. So as you can see, it shows you the user manual. It tells you to please fully charge the device before first use. Basically tells you how to use it. So you could just plug one end and then plug the other end in the loudspeaker. So we're gonna be testing all this. We're gonna test it on speakers and Bluetooth headphones, and yeah, you've got it all in different languages as well. Without further ado, let's open it. So as you can see, it actually already comes in an aux cable. I was preparing with my own aux cable. I've got my own one. They've supplied me one anyway. So we've got a 3.5mm aux cable. We've even got a direct aux cable, so it's not like a cable, it's just you plug it in one end and you plug it directly in the other end. So you could plug it into an iPod and get Bluetooth out of it. Then you've got the USB-C charging cable, and then you've got the actual device. So as you can see, this is the actual device. It's even got an SD card slot, so you can even put an SD card in here, and you've got songs, and I'm going to show you that after as well. Then you've got RX mode, TX mode, that's for receiving, this is for transmitting. Alright, so first thing we'll do, we'll just turn on the device. Let's see if it has charge right out of the box. Okay, you have to press this button. So as you can see, it shows you all the information. So it's on RX mode right now, receiving mode. So it's going to receive signal and it's going to transmit into Bluetooth. Or we can put it on this mode, TX mode. So this transmits Bluetooth and you can get audio from something else. So what I'm going to try first, we're going to put it in receiving mode. So this is going to receive audio from the device. So I've got a phone over here. Right, I've got a separate device over here. I've got an old Samsung phone over here. What I'm going to do, I've got an SD card in here. And as you can see, the GT9 shows up. That's what it's called. So we're going to pair it. It will obviously be correct. We'll connect it up, as you can see. So that means we are connected now. Now all we've got to do is play some sound onto here, and it should play. I've got a aux cable over here, so I'm going to plug it directly in. Alright, so I've got a copyright free track on here on my other phone, and I'm going to plug this into here. We're actually playing on the speaker. So click the speaker behind me. Alright, so first thing, I think the quality just sounds a little bit lower. I don't know why the quality is reduced. So for some reason, I don't know why it reduces the quality. The quality just sounds a bit reduced when using this device. But we're going to see what it's like to transmit from this phone. So I'm going to transmit to here, and I'm going to connect it to my Bluetooth headphones. So without further ado, we're going to do that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in transmitting mode. So instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the device in here, like so. I'm going to turn on the device. You've got to long press it to turn it on. I'm going to switch to TX mode. And I've got Bluetooth headphones over here, and I'm going to put that up. I'm going to turn it on and it should connect to it, hopefully. Let's see if it connects. Alright, so as you can see, it's just automatically connected now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play it and see if it plays. Alright, so we're actually playing, and it's actually good quality. It's better quality than if I connected it via speaker. It sounds really quiet though for some reason. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my SD card directly into this device. So what I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so I just put my SD card in there, and it's really high quality. So I'm going to change the volume. I have to press and hold it to change the volume. It's basically like an MP3 player, but like, what did this button do? Let's see. Oh, that disconnects it. Okay, so you have to put it in pairing mode every time you want to connect to it. So now if I play a song. Alright, so I've got it working again. I think it's shuffling through tracks. That's my SD card. Let's hear the quality. The only thing is that you can't fast forward on it. You just have to let it play. If you want to press and hold it, that will change the volume. You can hear tracks from it. But as you can hear, the quality is actually decent when playing from the SD card. So it's pretty much like an iPod shuffle. So like you can only skip songs and change the volume, but you can't do that much. This disconnects it, so don't press this when you're connected. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to see if I can actually play from the SD card to aux. So I'm going to connect it to an aux speaker now. And if you press this, it pauses the song. Alright, so as you can see, we're actually playing directly with aux. If I put it in RX mode, it will actually play directly to aux, which is actually neat. So you can just put it directly in your SD card, and then as you can hear, the only thing, the quality sounds quite low. That's the only problem. Quality sounds a bit low when playing for the aux, but when you play from Bluetooth directly from the SD card, then it's high quality. But if you use this audio jack in any way, it's low quality, unfortunately, whether you're using RX or transmitting. But if you're using the SD card, if you're transmitting direct to Bluetooth headphones, then it's high quality. But other than that, if you want a high quality aux one, just don't get this one. But if you want to use it like an MP3 player and connect it to your AirPods, it is actually completely fine. Or if you don't mind the quality, it's completely fine. And I noticed that when I was using it via TX on my Bluetooth headphones, when I changed it to the receiving, it directly picked that up from what I was listening to on the SD card. So that's another neat thing about this device. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect it to my AirPods. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pair up my AirPods to this device. So I'm going to put it on TX mode and turn on the device. I'm going to put my AirPods in pairing mode. So what we've got to do is press this. So my AirPods are connected now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wear it and I'm going to put the SD card in here. And now as I can hear tracks directly on my AirPods from this device. And you can put the volume up. That's already the fullest volume. Alright, somehow it's not really that loud. If you want loud sound, it's not going to work with AirPods because it's not that loud. But it's still hearable, but if you're in a loud place, then you probably won't be able to hear the track properly. But when I used my Jabra headset, it was much louder. Alright, so while messing around with it, I realized that actually you have to really plug it in because I thought the audio quality was really bad. So like if you plug it in this much, like it feels like it's already plugged in. But really it's actually not plugged in properly. So if I plugged it in now, so obviously this is connected via Bluetooth to my Bluetooth headphones. I'm playing a track right now and it sounds really low quality, but actually if I press it in fully with full force, the quality is just fine. It's like I'm connecting directly to a Bluetooth device. It's really good quality as well. I'm gonna put the headset directly to the microphone. So yeah, it's really high quality. I was wrong about it being low quality. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do another test. Alright, so I'm connected to the speaker. This is connected via Bluetooth. And as you can hear, it is high quality. I'm going to compare it. I'm going to plug it straight into the device now. Actually, you know what? It sounds higher quality when I connect it directly to the phone. I'm not sure why. Maybe just the Bluetooth transmitting of this is low quality, but it's high quality when transmitting to Bluetooth headphones. Alright, let's see what charging is like. So I haven't really charged this device yet since I used it, which is actually, that means it's got good battery straight out of the box, but I should charge it, shouldn't I? So I just put it on charge now. And as you can see, it charges via USB-C. Another thing I noticed about this device is that it's actually got the manufacture date. I'm not sure if you can pick up on the camera. It was actually manufactured on the 13th of March 2024. Okay, so that wraps up my unboxing and review of this wireless audio transmitter. So yeah, it's a pretty good device. You can put an SD card in there and you can play MP3 tracks directly and transmit it to your AirPods or Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones. Or you can just connect it directly to aux or to any just wired headphones. Or you can just connect to this as a Bluetooth device from your phone and transmit it to any aux speaker. But the only thing is that the quality will be lower, but it's still tolerable. It's still really good quality. You can connect it to even your car aux or your speaker aux. But if you want high quality, then you could just put your SD card in there and connect it via aux that way as well. It's basically like an Apple Shuffle at this point. Or you can actually transmit it so you can connect any aux device. So you can connect aux port to like an iPod that is non-Bluetooth, any non-Bluetooth device connected to this, then you can connect it directly to your Bluetooth headphones without any issues. Or you could just put an SD card in there and it plays to your Bluetooth headphones that way as well. So yeah, it's basically like a Bluetooth MP3 player. It's a really neat device. It's really cheap as well. I'm gonna peel this thing off. I haven't done that yet. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It hasn't been touched. And the only other thing about it is that when you connect to Bluetooth headphones, it's genuinely quite quiet. So even if I put it in the full volume here, it's not really that loud on Bluetooth headphones, but it is loud on aux. So yeah, I'm going to conclude this video now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next video.